And this is what we offer at Health for Us Clinic. It's a procedure that is very, I would say almost totally non-invasive, because you just get a little prick on your arm with a needle. Diabetics do that several times during the day, and that is it. Folks, I'm encouraging you to come out to the seminar. It's a free seminar this Saturday, June 15th, where Southern Palms Hotel Conference Room, right there in the conference room. And there are 2 different times you can choose from. The session, which starts at 4, and we're talking 4 Greenwich Mean Time, not Caribbean time, by the way, folks. And the other session is at 7 p.m. A good website that you can pull up do some due diligence and get some further information on would be www.naturalimmunesystemenhancer.info. That's naturalimmunesystemenhancer.info. Of course, our cell number. The clinic number is 421-7167. This is Health for Us Clinic, 421-7167. Or cell number is 253-5858, 253-5858. Email address, should you need to contact me by email, and I'll be happy to send folks a 2-page document, which would be very, very helpful, especially if you have loved ones with chronic diseases. My email address then is myhealthdoctor@yahoo.com. That's MYHealth, HEALTH, and doctor spelled out DOCTOR @yahoo.com. myhealthdoctor@yahoo.com. Now, some of the disease states that I want to assure you that's totally reversible. Use that word again, folks. Reversible with this protocol, medical ozone therapy, runs like this. Prostate problems. Dengue fever. We've just had a death or 2 in this country as a result of dengue. That's totally avoidable. Diabetes, totally reversible. Leukemia. HIV AIDS. Hello, can I say that again? HIV AIDS, totally reversible. There's a Dr. Horst Kitz out of Germany. A medical practitioner, have been using ozone therapy for years. I'm talking well over 20 years, and have reversed hundreds and hundreds of full-blown AIDS patients. Alzheimer's, and here I would reach out to the organizations and associations we have in this country. Heart and Stroke Foundation, Diabetic Association, Diabetes Foundation. I know there's not so much an HIV/AIDS committee any longer, but folks afflicted with HIV/AIDS need to get out to these seminars. The MS, the multiple sclerosis people, sickle cell, lupus foundation, Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and now we're having a new form of immuno challenge with the disease state known as myasthenia gravis, which is a neuromuscular issue. This procedure here, the medical ozone therapy, coupled with iodization of the body, coupled with improving or enhancing the immune system with products such as the Daily C-Veg from EPX Body and the immune boosting product from EPX Body again. Those 3 put together will help knock out things like lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, all lymphomas. We go down the list of disease states that folks in this country may be more familiar with: arteriosclerosis, multiple sclerosis, stroke and heart, and definitely, as I said, circulatory and cardiovascular issues, things like syphilis, all forms of cancer, heart disease again, herpes of all types. Once upon a time, practitioners would tell a person, if you have herpes, there's absolutely no way you're going to get rid of it. That's a joke. Medical ozone, listen folks, medical ozone will go after the herpes virus, simplex, 1, 2, it doesn't matter what you want to call them. Medical ozone will go after herpes and chew it up and spit it out. Okay? So I'm saying anyone challenged with these issues, syphilis, any kind of sexually transmitted disease, medical ozone will go after that and knock it out. Parkinson's, colitis, and I can go on and on and on about the number of disease states. You have the document in front of you listing well over, I know, I ran out, I think it's about 100 odd disease conditions. And I'm saying, folks, if you need that list, shoot me an email, myhealthdoctor@yahoo.com. Getting well is not a mystery. We have to stop this nonsense in this country where we're bankrupting this beautiful nation that I love and care for, because we are causing administrations, whichever one will come into power, to spend too much money on health care. And I'm saying we have to stop this laziness and start cooking more at home, eating better quality foods, as well as looking after the children that God has blessed you and I with, by making sure they stop eating all this junk and start getting back to nature, eating healthier, and educating yourselves. Do your due diligence. The internet is there. We do these free seminars for people to come out and get information. Empower yourself. Okay? Because unless we do, I'm telling you, I'm forecasting within the next 10 to 15 years in this country, we're going to see people, children, they will be then 16 now, they'll be 16 to 26, and we're going to have in that age bracket a host of people dropping dead with cancer and other chronic degenerative diseases. Folks, wake up. Join Dr. Stan. Join this movement that I'm trying to push forward of educating the public within this country and the wider Caribbean in getting back control and taking back control of your health. I want to thank you for listening in. Again, the seminar times, there are 2 free seminars, not a penny being charged, totally free. You're listening to this. Invite someone that may not be listening. The venue is Southern Palms Hotel Conference Room, downstairs in the conference room. The times, the date is this Saturday, at 4 p.m. and 7 p.m., 2 different sessions, 2 different times. These are Greenwich Mean Times, not Caribbean time. At 2 minutes after each of those times, I will start my presentation. If you come 15 minutes late, you would have missed 15 minutes of the presentation. Contact information, myhealthdoctor@yahoo.com. Phone numbers 421-7167, cell number 253-5858. A website that you can read up on the immune system product would be www.naturalimmunesystemenhancer.info. And here I'm going to turn it back over to my friend and warrior in this fight against trying to educate folks, my brother Admiral. And you can always contact him later if you miss and you need to get my contact details. This young man would be able to set you straight on that.
Thank you, Doc. Don't forget the health seminars then. This coming Saturday, Southern Palms Hotel Conference Room, St. Lawrence Gap. One starts at 4 and the other at 7. And you've been given information where you can go and get access information. You can contact Dr. Stan at 253-5858, 253-5858, or you can email him at myhealthdoctor@yahoo.com. We'll see the doctor again tomorrow, same time, same place, 8:35.
Yeah, it waving, 200% be given. Me shirt soaking wet, I sweating.